Welcome back to The Breakfast Show, the show worth waking up for. Yes, as you can see, many types of products in front of us. What are they?
This is one of the latest innovations in pharmaceutical and skincare in the halal industry. Now, we all know that this halal industry is actually a multi-billion-dollar industry, and they say it is said to be the new source of economic growth in the world. And you know, Malaysia is the hub.
Exactly. Malaysia wants to be that international halal hub, not just for food stuff, but financial products, logistics, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics. And that's what we'll be concentrating on for this particular interview. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to welcome on set Professor Madya Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim, who's the head of the Pharmacy Department and Medical Faculty of University Malaya. We have Encik Syed Rizwan, who's the Managing Director of Redha Care Sdn Bhd, and Encik Nasrat Talif, Managing Director of IMED Labs Sdn Bhd, the distributor of this halal cosmetic base. So to begin this particular program, we'd like to ask Professor Madya, Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim, how did the three parties come about to produce this halal base?
Which is it's called Hamin C.
Okay, this base is, we can say that it is 100% palm oil, palm oil products and palm oil derivatives. It is a mixture of the products and the derivative. We are from the pharmaceutical department of University of Malaya, so we research into a lot of pharmaceutical material, pharmaceutical products and all that. Of course, pharmaceutical is very much regulated, very highly regulated. If you pass the pharmaceutical standard, you also will pass the cosmetic standard in a way, because it's very much regulated, global in a way. So we start off by looking at, you know, God have given us palm oil, which is halal, you know, and you can make so many things with palm oil.
That's so true.
You know, so many things with palm oil. The issue of non-halal fat is the main issue of non-halal over here. But we have oil, so you can engineer the oil into various products. So we look into this. Of course, they are already in the market the same basis, but from different oil. So we developed something from palm oil, our own local resources.
Yes,
So it's
since we have
breakthrough from
such.
you.
Yes.
Excellent. But of course, as far as academicians are concerned, just creating this product is simply not good enough to become a leader in the market, yes?
Yes, with a product, you know, you can't market it, you can't distribute it. So hence, that's where
Redha Care comes in.
Yes, Redha Care and IMLab came in. Now, how did that start off? So the university actually created this product, and did you go out and find Redha Care? Now, how did it actually happen, the partnership?
So let me introduce about the Oleopharma Sdn Bhd. Actually, Oleopharma Sdn Bhd is a joint venture company between Redha Care Sdn Bhd, which is a consultant GMP, good manufacturing consultant company, and the University of Malaya. So this company, Oleopharma, has been given this exclusive right to commercialize this what we call excellent, innovative research product, developed by Prof. Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim Nordin. Okay, so we talk about product. What's the product? I think, I mean, the Prof already mentioned just now. The product actually is natural, natural formulated material. We can say that natural formulated ingredient. I mean, it's ready to be used, right? Easy to be used in the production of pharmaceutical or cosmetic base. Okay, that's the beauty of this material.
So of course, Redha Care was formed to push this product exclusively, and that's where IMED Labs come in as well. So what's given you the faith that this product will do very well in the market as a distributor?
Actually, when it was all by chance. We were in Madrid last year. We were selling a concept of halal cosmetics. So we were approached by Oleopharma and asked us about our intentions of picking up this particular product. So we had a meeting and we studied the initial formulation, and we also did some market research, got feedbacks from manufacturers, from users, and we modified the product together with Prof in University of Malaya, and now it's ready for for the masses, basically, to enjoy something that is 100% natural. You see, this product is 100% natural.
Yes, yes.
Excellent, excellent.
Yes,
Of course,
yeah.
and in the market right now, when you talk about 100% natural products, it definitely has a premium on top of it. I mean, of course, coming from the beautiful lady, well, I mean, you would say the same thing if you see 100% natural products, right?
Yes,
That'd be a big seller.
of course. And in order to adhere to the strict guidelines, that is a halal product must come under. So it must come from a natural. In order for a little product, a skincare or pharmaceutical product to be halal, it must be natural, 100% natural. What else are the other guidelines it must adhere to?
It's very much regulated. It is globally regulated in a way. In fact, we start off with a grant from MOSTI.
Okay.
And then the grant is more of testing it locally. Of course, all the tests is easier, can be easily done in the university itself. But we also did several tests overseas in UK, so that we qualify their standards.
I see.
So we did about 3 tests in UK. In UK, one is for the toxicity of it, to prove that it is non-toxic. Of course, it's non-toxic, it's palm
It's
oil.
all natural.
But you still have to make it, to document
Yes,
just
yes,
that it
yes.
is
Just in case.
and then it is non-allergic. So we have done a trial on human in UK on 200 healthy subjects.
So you've done human testing as well.
And it passed colorfully in a way.
Flying colours?
Flying colours,
Alhamdulillah, okay.
It is non-allergic.
Yes.
Non-allergenic. So to qualify those global standard, we need to do the test overseas. Although it can easily be done in Malaysia with the technology that we have now.
Just for the
Like for
certification and the
certification
confidence
and all that.
from a global audience.
Yes.
And we are talking about a global audience, are we not, when we talk about a cosmetic base that is halal, that everybody can use? What are your thoughts, Encik Syed?
You know, that's I mean that's where the halal industry development come in here to facilitate us. Okay, so in this collaboration as part of agenda to foster this industry, mainly for to grow this halal industry. Okay, so that with the confidence with this product, okay, and then we collaborate and then we appoint this IMED Lab Sdn Bhd to as our, I mean, the sole distributor, exclusive distributor for the Malaysian market. And then we also is looking regionally. Okay, we're talking with our partner in Japan, okay, in Korea, even in Thailand, in our neighbor in Indonesia. So that's how we aggressively promoting this product. We bring this the natural and halal brand as our, what we call is our key to promote this product.
Now, there are other halal skincare products out there. Now, how does this product do in comparison with others?
Other halal products out there.
Okay, maybe I can explain that.
Please do,
Yes,
please do.
please do.
Okay, basically, I'm in the cosmetic industry. Okay, when you do a formulation for a cosmetic product, okay, 80 to 85% of the base of the cosmetic comes from basically a base cream. It's either gel, water, cream, you know, or paste and this and that. So there are a lot, at the moment, currently, 100% of the base in Malaysia, the raw materials are imported from overseas.
I see, okay.
So this is
bumps
the
costs
first
up.
time that
Yes.
is actually 100% locally made.
Okay. Secondly, is 95% of cosmetics, even though they claim it's natural. Okay.
It's not, yeah?
But actually, the base is synthetic. The active ingredient is natural.
Oh, I
you
didn't
see.
know that.
Yes.
That is not fair.
Yeah, that's worrying.
Yes, that's not nice.
Okay, actually, the base is still synthetic. So what Prof has done is, and what we are lucky to have today, is basically a base that is 100%
And natural.
Natural.
And of course, with the added active ingredients, it truly is a 100% natural product.
not really once it's finished.
I see.
Why? Because we have only managed to do it 99.7%. You see, there are 3 parts in a cosmetic formulation.
Yes.
The active ingredient, the base, and also the preservative.
So it's the
So
preservatives.
currently, the preservative 0.03%. It's still.
I see. But thank you for being forthright. I mean, to have that breakdown and to for consumers like us, because consumers nowadays, we're no longer sitting down, oh, this product's nice, I take it. You know, they're very discerning, they read the ingredients, and the thing is with halal standards, we talk about the halal standard itself. It's not just, like I say, a word for Muslims to go, oh, I can use it or I don't use it. It's supposed to be a standard of the utmost cleanliness, the utmost hygiene, and so on and so forth.
And also transparency when it comes to running a business.
Exactly. So maybe your thoughts on this, and of course spreading the word halal here in Malaysia.
I think it's the same as any pharmaceutical. When you say about quality, quality is to be built in, not only tested. Because pharmaceutical, you take sample and test. You can't test the whole thing, you'll end up with nothing. So the same thing with halal. It has to be built into the product, not only tested. Sometimes the process is not halal, but the end product, when you test, you do not know whether it's halal or not. You can show results of halal, but the process of making is not halal.
Yes, it's from the start to the end.
From the start of the raw material, with the test, with the personnel doing it, the hygiene and all that, all have to be.
So we talk about the whole
the
process itself, the halal process, and of course it's something that we can advocate and we can quantify.
In a way, it needs to be documented. It has to be traceable. You can be able to trace all the ingredient back to the where the origin.
It's also like a 100% organic. You need to have certification.
Excellent.
Thank you very much, gentlemen, for being on the show. Unfortunately, we've run out of time.
Yes, there you go. So of course, congratulations to the efforts of Oleo Pharma. Of course, you can find out more details on www.oleopharma.com. And congratulations once again to the joint venture between University Malaya, Reza Care, and IMED Labs in Emirahan. Thank you very much for putting Malaysia on the world map. We appreciate it very, very much, and selamat
Yes, I look forward to this actually becoming product, so we know that at least it's 99.9%. With the base being 100% natural.
All right, let's become a front runner in this multi-billion-dollar industry, and we're going to take a break as we contemplate on those riches. But of course, when we do come back, ladies and gentlemen, don't go away. Interesting stuff coming up right back at you. Stay with us. We'll be right back after this.